Hey everyone, I've got a few hours up my sleeve, so I thought I'd get some chores done. We all know that they're horrible mundane tasks that no one likes to do, but they've got to be done. So I'll see you in the next 10 minutes while I do my chores. I'll break it all down for you. I have to wake these kids up. This one's awake before me today. She's having a fun day watching YouTube. Hadley! You may be asking, what we get up to every day. Well, one of the things I do is watch YouTube for a while. Sienna's checking over her epoxy stuff. Let us know if you want an epoxy video because she won't jump in front of the camera. But tell her she needs to do one. And I do a bit of gaming on the Apex throughout the day. You can watch my live streams at Eastern Shore Family or Eastern Shore Gaming or Luke D198. Hey everybody, we're just going to put the dog collars on the dog. My pants are falling down. Oh, I've also got to let the turkeys out for a good hour, let them scrounge. They're scavengers. They love the ground. Love the weeds out of the grass. And long grass. They haven't been eating the veggies yet. Let us know if your turkeys eat your veggies. And which ones to keep them away from. We definitely know they like tomatoes and strawberries.
I'm over here.
Hey?
I'm over here.
You are over here.
But I don't like the big turkey.
What should the turkeys eat? We'll have to get them some pellets soon.
I do not like the big
When we put them away.
I do not like the big turkey.
Don't you? Oh, and you know how to tell a male and a female? Apart from size, you can tell that he's way bigger than her. But if you look at his chest, it's very dark and very black, where she has a lot of white through her chest. We come out and check on the trees and the veggie patches, the fruit patches. We've got some celery back there, we've got some potatoes down the back, we've got the strawberries, we've got the apricots and apples, another apple tree, some parsnips, carrots and tomatoes that haven't come up yet. We've got some potatoes over this way somewhere again. I've got to check on my bird box, see if there's anything in there. Kobe's been a good boy and helping out with dishes today. And Sienna likes to check on her beans. We've got going.
Daddy! I don't know what
Not sure, they look like cauliflowers from back here, but they're definitely not lettuce. You've got carrots,
spinach or something.
a few succulents and cactuses,
Dad!
and a lemon tree. It's in the shade a bit too much, it might need to be moved. Some coloured plants for the bees.
Daddy!
Yeah,
What if we check the beehive?
true. Gracie likes to come down and check on her little insect beehive that we've got hanging on the wall. We've got lots of flies. We put some veggie strips. And I've also got to fix the little muck-ups when it comes to the epoxy. Don't leave epoxy and kids' clothes laying around. But we're just going to try and cut this away, see if it works. So you can probably guess what we're doing out here today by the name of the video. We're just going to do some gardening. I've got a bit of cleaning up to do, move the turkeys away. Just got their dog collars charging, so hopefully that'll stop them from barking. If you want to go check out that video in YouTube under Eastern Shore Family about the electronic dog collars. Oh yeah, he's tiny. He's not flying. He's a baby. Oi! Stop. Where'd he go? There he is. Stop. He's back there. Come on, turkey. I'm with you. And so we've got it also put out washing for today. Clothesline. Now we're going to get the turkeys in. So we just sort of stand here and barricade them from one side, and they slowly walk the way they want to, but slowly make it back to their pen. In? No, don't go fast. Here she comes.
There we go.
Come on.
I don't have to whistle with
We're going to put you away. So we're going to put you away.
Master, put you away.
Oh look, there's my airplane tyre I got from the tip shop one day. And go. And we're in. We got turkeys, we got turkeys. We caught the turkeys, hey, 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 hey. Do you remember that off Little Rascals? Yeah, that helped. And then put the lock on there. He's happy. Been out all day. So we're going to take the mothership out to get petrol. Taking the mothership out. Make sure you get a good picture of it.
Hello everybody, we're going to the RGA.
Now we just got to go to the Rugby IGA for Mum. Get some bread for the school lunches, a bowl of Coke, and something for tea. Alright, you can still put it. And we're just going to call into the Ampol servo, the local servo, get some petrol and some milk breads maybe. So just grab one straight out of the freezer. And whack it in the, whack it straight in the microwave. And leave it going for 5 minutes. And it should be ready. Sorry about the dogs in the background, they get excited at tea time. Sure did. And then it's feeding time. And I'll go for a quick as. You can add some biscuits to it. Flies. Loves it.